Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number one of Python training. And before going to start this journey, guys, please confirm it. My voice is clear to you, and are you able to see my screen? Please use the chat box or use the mic option.
Yes.
Any one of them.
Can you mute all the people?
Yeah, we are able to see.
Yes.
But it seems that a lot of echo sound is coming from your end.
No, it is clear.
Suresh, please check in my mic setting from your end. Please check. Okay, guys. Thank you. Okay. Guys, my main intention is I am going to start this Python training from the zero. That is main intention. Yes, I muted everyone. There is no disturbance. Whenever the question will come again, I will give the mic option to you. Okay. So, guys, to start the journey, no need any programming skills. But my suggestion, attend live training. That is either morning or evening, any one of them. You know, there is the same link for morning and evening. You can attend any one of them, either morning or evening. Any one of them you can attend. But live participation is important. You don't think about the recording. After live, every day you will get the daily recording. Nothing to worry about the recorded part. Yes. And for the lab also, I will give to you two types of modes. Two types of modes. One is with help of the installation. Second one, without installation. Like if you are using a office laptop, you can directly use Python software without any installation, just required a browser. But all these are secondary. All these are secondary. First, how much we are going to learn, that is important. Why? Because if you see any technology, not only automation, AI, or data engineering, data analytics. Okay, in the AI, this is one of them is a dominating language in the AI technology. There is no question inside out. Absolutely, it is a dominating language in AI ML. Why today Python is famous? Actually, it was came in 1991 only. Why it is too much famous? The reason is only one thing. It contains oops option. Okay, sometime one of the topic. And second one, oops means nothing but code reusability, main intention. And main another one is almost 1.5 lakhs supporting modules are available. 1.5 lakhs of supporting modules are available. Mean you know some XYZ concept. I'm not saying to you you are good at this technology. Just like maybe you are excellent in the some any technology like AWS, maybe ML or math, or you are good at Azure or Citrix or cloud networking. You are excellent in your technology. You are excellent in your technology. You are working from last 10 years. Example. Now, if you learn these 60 hours of Python, First of all, there is no link to your technology to this course. Then you can create a link with the help of the just one of them you can going to use in 1.5 lakh, that is a module. Like simply a connector, simply like a connector between your technology to Python. That's why it is huge demanding. And it is not a programming language like Java or .NET. Not a complicated language. No. Just its syntax is like English. Like how are you? Where are you? Hmm. Yes, is any word starting with is keyword we can call in English that are question tags, that we can call as a question tags. We can call them as a question tags. So general English want only we have that. That's why Python we can call as a high level general purpose programming language. High level means easy to understand. Low level means like it is very complicated, zeros, ones are available, binary language format. And it is a general purpose. It's like, yes, when you started your IT career, like that time, C language is mandatory. But nowadays, Python, Linux, Cloud, these are the mandatory things. One programming language required. But again, I'm saying that one, it is not a programming language. Like, surely you are going to correct your school days while learning this course. And definitely, we need to remember one guy who is a technical mind behind this technology. He is nothing but from a Netherlands guy, Guido van Rossum. He's a technical guy behind our technology. You can see Guido van Rossum. Still is there. Still he is there. Guido van Rossum created Python in 2022. His now present role, his role, his profile is about him, but simple way. What is the meaning of hybrid? Okay, echo sound is coming. One second. Thank you, Satya. I believe. One second. Thank you for that one. One second. Please confirm it now. My
Is clear? Satya, now is it okay?
Yeah, before that also it is okay, sir.
It's
No
fine,
noise.
it's fine.
No noise, Parama also.
Okay. I think Satya facing issue. Satya, now is it clear now?
It's fine now.
Thank you. Okay. Now come to the point. Okay. Sir, what is the meaning of hybrid generally? What is the meaning of, for example, you can say in vegetables we can call hybrid product. What is the meaning of hybrid? General word. What is the meaning of hybrid?
Advanced version.
Okay.
Combination of both the things.
Excellent, excellent. So combination of two or more products.
Yeah.
Like today you are seeing Python. Actually, Python came from mainly three languages. First one, really, this is an important point. From the C language, and second one C++, and another one is the ABC. Really, I'm not sure what is the syntax of ABC, but that is a C and C++ I have idea. But Guido van Rossum created a product from these three languages. From C language, he selected functions. There is a one topic is there, functions. From C++, he selected object-oriented principles, very powerful one, guys. And ABC language, and we can also call scripting or natures like automation, or you can call scripting natures. From these all, there is a one product came, that is a Python. Actually, you can call Python is a successor of ABC. You know, in the mathematics, successor, predecessor is there, successor. I mean, ABC language advanced is Python. But one problem. Okay, Python having multiple versions. First release 0.9 version in 1991. Then after 1.x also came. 1x means 0.1, maybe 1.1. X area you can write number that is 1.1, 1.2. It is also came in 1991. 2.x came 2000, 2000 on average. 3.x we are using now, that is came in 2008. But one biggest problem is Python is very famous at time of 2.x. But 2.x time, one problem, there is no ops concept. They introduced in 2018 only. In even one important point, Python completely stopped the support of 2.7. Last version is 2.7 only. Completely stopped that version supporting. There is no patches, updates. But Python is not supporting, or 3.x is not supporting backward compatibility. Very clearly, again, I'm saying that one. Python, presently, we are using 3.14. But Python very clearly said that there is a backward incompatibility. Means if you write a program in 2.x, for example, 2.5 one version, today you are using 3.14. If you write any program in 2.4, that you cannot open in the 3.x, 3.14. No, not possible. And even another fact is completely syntax of 2.x to 3.x 100% opposite. Already you are good at 2.x version. If you are already good at 2.x version, again you have to learn 3.x. There is no other choice. Tell me guys, any question is moving in your mind?
Suppose, sir, I have written the code in the 3.6, so then it will work in the 2.x, sir.
No, sir. You know you are learning 3.x only, 3.x only it will support.
2.x it will not support, sir.
Not support. Any question is roaming in your mind now? Please check. I'm giving to you 1 minute time.
And sir, one more thing, model API means what do you mean this one API?
It's just like a simply a connector. Just like a connector.
Oh,
Yes, today you are investing 60 hours time for 3.x. Tomorrow, if 4.x will come, then Python is going to announce 4.x never support backward compatibility. Then what is our position again? How many days we are going to plan like learning in this way? It is a very difficult. So that's why Python very clearly said 3 version is a final version in the Python 3 point. Maybe this number will change. This number maybe after 100 years this will come maybe, but this is a final version. 3 number version 3 is a final version. Maybe this word I am elaborating. What is a backward compatibility? Guys, what is the meaning of backward compatibility?
Lower version of program will be working higher version.
Okay. For example, okay, in simple terms, I will explain. If you written one Word document, MS Office 2000, today you are using MS Office 2020. In MS Office 2020, if I able to open this file, I can call MS Office 2020 supporting backward compatibility. But that feature is not available here. In 3.x, that is not possible. It is not supporting that one. Major, not drawback, guys. Why? Because you can call oops concept added one thing previously not there. Even previous syntax is word based. This word is important. Please remember at the time of oops concept you will understand. 2.x is a keyword based syntax. 3.x is completely related object oriented principles or object based syntax. Okay, maybe this backward compatibility you can give one of the, it's a future only. Why? Because this is the last time you are going to learn Python. Even if you learn already 2.x, really 2007, 8 time, you are already part of IT. That time Python will, the automation area, it is one of the best element. Maybe no one, I believe no one started the Python at 2008. That time C, .NET, Java, maybe Arkill DB, like DBS, that time that things are having lot of demand. Okay, fine. So then what is the next thing means? Why? What are the other features we have for about Python? Simple guys. First of all, it is free and open source. Python is free and open source. What is the meaning of these two words means? Free and open source. This Guido van Rossum decided is giving this software freely. I mean, no need any license. No need any license to use Python software. That word you can call as a free. What is a open source? Mhm.
Anyone can access.
and support on any platform.
Right.
Even content on.
Anyone can modify also.
Excellent. Anyone can take the source code, modify it, reuse it. That's why we have so many Pythons are there. C Python, Java Python. So anyone can use this code. Can you give any other technology like open source in the IT? Very demanding one, like Python?
Linux.
Excellent.
Linux.
Linux, kernel. Java, I believe Java having 2 versions. Yes. Linux kernel, kernel like a one of the, it actually Linux is not operating system. Linux and Linux inside kernel shell, these two combination we will call as a operating system. One of the core one, it is free. So that's why easily we are learning. If you see SAP, for example, if you try to learn SAP, it is not free. Okay, you are doing from copy paste from the CDs also. Even learning purpose also, you need to purchase this one. But that headache is not there. Free means no license, and open source means no you anyone can modify the code, anyone can reuse their code. You can take the code, you can modify, you can publish that one as with the patent rights, modified code. First, it is easy to learn first point. Why? Because the space indentation is very powerful one to understand. In the Python, these brackets in the black representation not there. Like example, if it is a C language, we written in this way, function ABC. These bracket story is not there to represent the black of code. Instead of that, there is a space indentation concept there. Space indentation concept, some space indentation from here to here, gap, like spaces we are leaving. And this is available as two things. We can call as a programming language, and also we can call as a scripting language. The reason behind is very simple. If you ask a question, Python is programming language means 100% answer is wrong. There are two types of languages are there mainly. That is a programming and scripting languages. Programming languages and scripting languages. Programming languages means best example is Java or .NET. What is the meaning of that? For example, in Java, I'm writing 100 lines of code. This code will be compilation. Compile in the sense total code, maybe it is a high level language, which is going to convert to a middle or intermediate language that we can call as a byte code. Like byte code keywords are not zeros ones, byte, add, set, update, like that type of words are available. A intermediate language. So if it is Java, maybe you have idea Java C file will be created. Then it will execute. Total code will execute. So actually this is a compile process. Even the best example is Java. It is a programming language. For example, if it is a scripting language, you have 100 lines of code. Then first line will be taken by your interpreter. Just interpreter means it will convert and explain to machine understandable language. Take first line and it will execute on the machine. Second line, third line. But here, total code will compile first 1 to 100. A intermediate code will come, then it will execute. And here, in the scripting languages, line by line will execute. But what about your Python? First, your code is there in Python. That code will be compiled. So like if you're writing a.py file, your code will be compiled like a.pyc. Then after your code will be converted to middle level language, bytecode. Then again interpreter will come. Line by line it will execute. Tell me what is your opinion on this?
Sir, if you're saying the Python is scripting language, so it is not no need to compile, right? Then that is wrong, right?
Absolutely, yes. But if you see here, compilation is there. Here it is a interpreter is there. But in Python, what we have?
PYC, that dot PYC it is creating.
PyCY file is there, interpreter is there. So what is your compilation is there in a line by line execution also there. Two things are there or not in the Python now.
Yeah, correct.
So what should I call as a Python?
Both language, programming and scripting.
Mhm. Yes, guys. What should I call Python? As an end user, you can see this one only. As an end user, you can see this one. That's why we are calling as a. Okay, I am asking this question. What is Python? Programming or scripting language? What is your expected output now? Right? What is it?
Hybrid.
Both.
Both.
Yes. Actually, we can call as an interpreter is the correct word, but you can see. And you can observe that one. Practically, I will show you this example. Just have a look. There is a one beautiful symbol is there. Yes, both. Okay, where we can use it means. So if this is a deep level analysis, then only you can give that answer. So guys, that's why I'm telling to you. Like Java, like .NET, nothing to worry. It is very easy to learn. Even so many features are there, dynamic memory allocation and other things, but I'm not moving to technical words. And mainly where we can use it, web development. After this course, you can plan for Django, like Flask. The two are not part of our course. After completion of this course, if you want to move into the web development, please take a framework, Django, very high demanding one in ML also. And really, again, I'm saying that one data science, data analytics, data pre-processing, data cleaning, like you're already working on the reporting tools. Without doubt, you can blindly learn this course. And third one, AI and ML, structured data, unstructured data, image detection. So there also it's a one of the already I said dominating language in this field. Automation area, part of DevOps, networking. Even if you have a idea on desktop application development, there is a GUI based applications also, graphical user interface applications also you can develop by using Python module, Tkinter, one of the module. Small module you can create a not online, I mean not web, desktop applications. For example, one school purpose. If you want to create an application, yes, you can create that web application. Backend, you can link with Oracle. So that is possible. Here, these two I will cover here. But every area, this is available to you. Okay. And just see the futures of Python one more time. Yes, even Python name also not snake name. It is a one of the BBC TV channel, one comedy show name only. It is not a snake name, guys. If you see, there is a big fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus. It is one of the comedy weekend show. I mean, he's a big fan for that. From there, he selected Python word. Even Python symbol also looks like a snake only, you can see. Like a snake symbol only. Like Python symbol only, like where it is. Like here, this is one example. And this is the one. Like this looks like, so you can see it is seeing something in two direction. Okay, some echo voice is coming. I can understand. Voice, I will not. This will not repeat afternoon onwards, evening. Okay, and then after, yes, is a Netherlands guy. Name came from one of the TV show, Monty Python Flying Circus. It is free. Actually, starting scripting language, but which is more than scripting, and added object-oriented principles. Oops. Now, not only using Google, very popular one now. So the journey, even 1991 only, version 1 came. And if you see 2000 version 2 came, 2020 collapsed. Collapsed in the sense stopped the support. 2008 3.0 came. Today you are using 3.x, 3.14. Okay, this information. Now, guys, one thing. This is one of the last session and first session for the theory. Every time I am going to give the priority for practicals only. Definitely, even if you take a new movie, first time the names, who is the acted persons, like that, history only. Next onwards, I am going to work on lab only, but with zero knowledge, we are going to start. Right. Sir, how to do the lab setup? This is the biggest problem for me. Sir, I will explain to you two things. One is with software installation, and second one without any software, direct using. Two things I will explain to you. Which is suitable, you can go with that option. Please check that one. I'm taking a new machine to explain this concept to you. And this is my machine, guys. I'm just typing Python. That's it. I'm not typing anything, only Python. Please watch it. Then after you can do that installation. Select the first link. Even you can see python.org. You click on this link. If you are using any Windows version, 7, 10, 11, any one of them, you can see directly go to the download option. No need to click on that. Put the cursor and click on download 3.14.0. And go to the downloaded section. You have one .exe file. No. Amar, no one is doing 2.x, already outdated. Not required. Amar, are you there?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now I downloaded one .exe file. Guys, double click on this file. And please observe carefully. When you double click, don't click on directly any option. Select bottom side option, environment variable. Select this one.
So what is the first option, sir? Use the admin privilege manager.
This one, sir, you're asking.
Yeah.
I mean, for example, if you have 10 users in your Windows laptop, 10 users want to install this Python software, you can select it like admin rights.
Okay, okay.
For
So
example, log in with
all user it will get the admin access, right, sir?
no, sir. No. To install this one, admin rights required. If you select
Okay,
Python software is available to all 10 users in your machine. For
okay.
example, in your laptop, we may create to 2 accounts or 3 accounts. Possible or not, sir?
Yes.
For all users, if you want to install the Python, you can select this option. But
Okay,
admin rights are required.
okay. Got it, sir.
So select to this first one, bottom side, then click on install now. That's all, sir. There is no other installation. Your installation part done.
Did you enable that checkbox on the previous screen?
Yes, only one of them, bottom side one, add path. Only one, not first one, second one, add Python to path. Really, there is no key, secret keys, register keys. Close it. Close it. Simple. Now your Python is ready. Type IDLE, Integrated Development Language Environment. Just type IDLE. Most of the time you are going to work on here. Don't type Python, IDLE. It is like integrated tool. That's it, guys. How to use it if you learn. Really, this is a wondering to you. How to use this thing if you know how to use it, we can create the magics. You can see. But I am not going the technical part today. Yes, this is the first introduction. Everyone clear? Everyone clear about this one?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Sir, maybe second option. Sir, I am not sure which laptop I am using. Every time I am using different laptops. Maybe I don't have personal laptop. In that scenario, log into any one of the mail ID. Log into any one of the mail ID, your mail ID. Type CoLab. Type CoLab. It's a Google product. CoLab. So simply I'm selecting the first link, CoLab. But before that, what I'm saying to you, log into one of the mail ID in the same browser. Create a new worksheet. Click on new worksheet. First time 1-2 minutes delay. That's all. Your machine is ready. You can execute your Python code. See, same code I will write here. Some code I written. 1 second. We are not sure about this code, but just remember. No need any installation. Remember, it's a browser-based option. No need anything. No need anything. See, I written some code. Same thing actually I copied. Just press enter. It is rotating. You can see my mouse wheel rotating, executed. Perfect. And this will be loaded into your machine in the Google Drive. For example, after login your mail ID, go to the Google Drive. Are you able to see that file? Just I created. This one only, na? Yes. And otherwise, I will change the name. What is today? For example, 22 October. Done. Now do the refresh. This is going to change to 22 October shortly. Every day you can open one file that will be helpful to you. Otherwise, continue with the same file also, which is more easy to you. with software or direct browser based one? Which one is easy? Guys, here I am going to use 3 to 4 tools I will use. But those who are using office laptop, this is the best option. Yes. Any queries about the installation part?
I have one query, sir. So what is difference to the free and open source that you explained that?
Yes. Free means, so there are, if you are purchasing one product, you need to enter the license key or not.
Yes.
So that is a paid one, actually. If you are without any license key, if you are using all features, that is a free one.
Okay.
You need to pay anything for the consuming.
Yes.
Second one, open source means, for example, Python language also written some code or not to execute Python.
Yeah.
That code anyone can take. For example, Python code is there. I am taking, I am adding some features. I am releasing Naga Python. I mean, that is only belongs to me only. I am taking Python code. Is there any restriction to copy my code? Is there any patent rights?
No.
That is a open source.
Okay.
Clear, sir, these two words?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, everything technically good. I have. You said first one about the history details. Second one, installation or lab setup is ready. Then where I can start? But before that, I am completely zero. I'm completely in zero, especially I'm completely in like this type of languages. Maybe based on my demo, yeah, you said something, no, nothing required, nothing required. Then where I can start it? Looks like everything is in the demo, but how to implement reality? Where I can start it? But one thing, I'm in behalf of you, I'm speaking. I'm completely zero in the languages. I'm completely new. I'm completely fear about the coding things. But again, this is not programming language. It's a hybrid product, first of all. Okay, guys. I'm going to use 5 alphabets. Like in our school days, how ABCD is our alphabets. Like in Python also, 5 of the alphabets I'm going to use. 5 alphabets. Like you can call functions. What is the meaning of function? Not like a marriage function, other functions. Functions means already Python written that code. Already Python written that code. You no need to write it. Already written. Python giving like a ready-made biryani. For example, if you want to cook the biryani from the scratch, that is your own function. But some functions are already written which are helpful for universal programming requirement. That functions are print only, printing anything, ID function, type function, help function, and what is another one? ID, type, length function. These 5, remember the names only. No need to by heart anything. And I'm not saying to you what it does also. Just to remember the names only. Print. For example, print means printing. Help means like 108. Like 108. Length means how long you are. Type means like you are a male or female. ID means what is your house number like Aadhaar card, your Aadhaar number. Like that, very simplest word. I'm not going to use 5 in one day. It will take 2 to 3 days to understand what is the use of these functions. Right? So this section I will start tomorrow. Tomorrow is an actual technical one. And this resound issue also I will check in my machine, guys. Okay, any queries before going to close the today's session?
Now, how did you cooperate this mail ID?
No, I'm not getting your question properly. Please repeat if you don't.
No, you said like we can log in with the mail ID, right? Like, or
Okay.
you are using the mail ID.
No. For example, any one of the mail ID, you can use it for your personal mail ID, anything. Why? Because everything will be stored here, like in this way.
I mean, to the collab, you mean to say like you log into the collab using
Not
your
collab.
mail ID?
No, not collab, just a Gmail login. Open the browser, log into Gmail. That's all. Then type collab beside of that. Point is clear? This is my mail ID.
No.
This is my mail ID.
Okay.
Then after, in the same browser, type collab. For collab, no need.
Okay.
It is giving another name or not?
Okay. In the next tab, you. Okay.
Next, what I'm writing, I'm selecting previous one 22 came up. Now another one is going to come. That's all. For collab, no need to log in anything. Just log into one email in your account.
Got you.
And this recorded session I will share to you in the drive, guys. You nothing to worry about the recorded. Attend live. I'm telling to you, not end of the training. Just analyze this training only 15 days only out of 60 hours. Analyze only 15 hours. You can observe the change in your technical things in the Python, or if you're already using in your environment. So many things I will cover in the first 15 hours. Okay, even still anyone having confusion about today's session, please refer the today recorded video. Even if not, attend the night session also, like 9 p.m. also. Same thing, that is also live. Maybe the examples may be different, but concept is same. Yes. Any questions?
So, yes, sir. So, one question: if you are using any VPN, will it block if you are executing something like Zscaler or Cisco?
You're using definitely if they will easily identify, sir.
Okay, because I think I started Collab, and when I clicked on new notebook, it is giving some network error.
Definitely. It is also one of the URL only, HTTPS.
Okay. So you have to exit the VPN, right?
Yes, definitely. Otherwise, you can request this URL if it is possible to your technical team. So different IPs, 4 IPs are showing, sir.
Okay. I will check, sir.
Okay, yes, thank you. And I will check this mic issue or whatever that one. I will check that one. But really, you will get a good crystal clarity. Thank you. We will connect tomorrow with same link.